This video is designed for educational purposes only and is not intended for do-it-yourself projects. Licensed, permitted, and insured contractors must be hired and must follow local plumbing and electrical building codes. The majority of Freedom walk-in tubs are equipped with the industry's best dual drain technology. Dual oversized 2-inch drains provides fast, efficient drainage. Floor drain covers are height adjustable for optimal sealing and draining function. Some of our tubs come with a single oversized drain with an emergency pull chain. Some of our tubs are equipped with a fixed height drain cover. Freedom's dual drain technology showcases gravity-driven 4-port T-type 2-inch drains. The drain openers function as overflow protection and utilize a stainless steel cable with lever system to open and close each floor drain. The overflow valves also work as a superior venting system, allowing for fast air pocket relief and fast drainage. Here we can clearly see the dual drain system with 4 ports. Our field tests show tub drainage averaging 80 seconds under ideal conditions. Drain times will vary depending upon your home's drain configuration. Connect all 4 ports to your main, or select either side depending upon your home drain setup. Use caps to seal off the unused side. Here we show a couple of different drain configurations and how they can adapt to the position of your house drain. Here's a view of how the tub drain meets the house drain through a cutout in the floor. We recommend a 2-inch house drain for optimal drain performance. The default frame and threshold height is preset at the warehouse to allow the drain piping to pass under the tub and above the floor to tap into the existing house drain. You can raise or lower the tub as needed with the adjustable leveling legs. Every tub must be perfectly level and the door must be perfectly aligned prior to filling and testing. Always adjust the level of your particular tub. Once the tub is perfectly level, filling can begin. Freedom offers a 5-piece or 2-piece fast fill faucet set. Both sets come with an extendable multifunction hand shower. And when you order your tub with one of our faucet sets, 5-foot supply lines are included with your purchase. We highly recommend that you use 3/4-inch supply lines with shutoff valves such as these. These supply lines should be as close to the tub as possible for easy access and service. Make sure to not over-tighten connections to prevent gasket damage. Freedom makes sure that all of the electrical components in your tub are clearly marked and are easily accessible. The pumps and all the electronics are UL certified, user-friendly, and are easily connected. Keep in mind, as you make the electrical connection to your home power supply, you must utilize dedicated GFCI protected outlets. The breaker box must also utilize GFCI protected breakers. Depending upon the number of components in your tub and the type of components in your tub, the appropriate amperage value must be provided in your breaker box.